Hey there! Struggling with Monopoly Go not updating? In today's guide, we'll dive into how to fix Monopoly Go not updating. Whether you're a seasoned player or just getting started, we'll help ensure your game is running smoothly so you can focus on enjoying those strategic board game battles. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, ensure your internet connection is stable. A bad connection can be the main reason Monopoly Go isn't updated. Try these steps. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes one connection can be flawed. Toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it makes any difference. Restart your router. If you're on Wi-Fi, unplug your router for a few seconds and then plug it back in to refresh the connect. Test other apps. Open a web browser or stream a video to confirm that your internet connection is functioning properly. Step 2. Check your device storage. The next step in how to fix Monopoly Go not updating is to ensure your device has enough available storage. Clear unnecessary files. Go through your media files, apps, and documents to delete what you don't need. Clear app cache. On both Android and iPhone, clearing the app cache can help. For Android users, head to Settings, Apps, Monopoly Go, Storage, Clear Cache. Review storage settings. Keep a minimum of 1 GB free on your device to allow updates to download smoothly. Step 3. Update your device OS. Often your device's operating system might be causing the issue. Updating to the latest version ensures compatibility. Check for update. Go to Settings, System, Software Update to see if there are any available updates. Automatic updates. Consider turning on automatic updates to prevent future compatibility issues. Step 4. Reinstall Monopoly. If the above steps didn't resolve the issue, reinstalling the game could be your best bet. Uninstall Monopoly Go. Press and hold the app icon and then choose to uninstall or delete the app. Reinstall from the App Store or Google Play. Navigate to your app marketplace. Search for Monopoly Go and download the app fresh. Log back in. Once reinstalled, sign in with your game credentials to restore your progress. Step 5. Contact support. If you've tried all the steps and Monopoly Go is still not updating, reaching out to support can save the day. Official app support. Visit the Monopoly Go support page for troubleshooting advice, user forums, and community. Sometimes player communities can offer additional help or workaround. And there you have it. From checking your internet connection and device storage to updating your OS and reaching out to support, these tips help your gaming experience uninterrupted. Remember, a little troubleshooting goes a long way towards enjoying a seamless gaming session. May your turns be lucky and your strategies unbeatable.